Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Capt Giorgio, and today I have a very special topic to talk about today. Ever wonder why you spend more time looking at one image more than others? Well, there's no doubt that there are some great photographs out there with good composition, so it makes it really easy for us to read it, but also because there's a sense of flow. So what is this flow that I'm referring to? Well, I am talking about the path of motion in an image. As a photograph can send us a lot of information, it can be intuitive to make the image have its own passage so that when our vision first lands on the image, it can be in a way showing us not just the action of what's going on, but also the meaning of the photo itself. So how are some ways that the path of motion has been used in photography? Well, that's what I wanted to show you today. So let's have a look. One way that the path of continuous motion can be used is a way to guide your viewer through your image, using compositional elements and principles to deliberately tell your viewer where to start on their journey. So let me show you what I mean. So you can see, in my opinion, I'm very attracted to this object here. Maybe because it's the biggest thing compared to everything else. You know, they use scale to really grab my attention. So I'm gonna start here. You know, does it tell a story? Doesn't have to. But it could also be, you know, a holiday, right? This could be the theme of Christmas. I just wanted to bring you to your attention again how the path of continuous motion was used to help you get started somewhere and bring you around, to help someone be guided through one's photograph. So in this example, I have another one here. Again, what do we do? This is my starting point, attracts most of my attention, were people. Then you'll see, depending on which way I go, I can choose which way I want to look at this image further. So I can go up here collecting information as I go, or I can go further down below and I'll still be gathering more information. Point is, we're going across here. If you choose this path here, you'll start going through this little journey as you learn more about the photograph, you know. Again, setting, where are we, what's going on, what are her thoughts, why is she here? And just trying to make sense of what is it that we're seeing. But the point is that you're starting to get immersed more into this planet. And so this is why I think this is such a successful picture, because it captures that little very fast moment where you're walking down the aisle and you notice people just looking out the window. For a split second, it captures something like this. So this is why, again, getting a shot precisely like this, you know, whether it was a stroke of luck that the photographer caught this or it was planned out, the point is it was shot in a way so that when we interpret it, it's easy to read and we have a path that we can take to be invested in the image. I actually like doing this. Do you think this is pretty cool? I like talking about pictures and expressing what I see. If you like what I'm doing, please consider hitting the like button. Please consider leaving the comment, telling me what is it that you see from these pictures. So this is another way that you can use the path of motion, is by using it to create a symbol that further expresses the idea of the image, right? In this example, what do we have? Again, human beings, we're people. I feel like this is a good starting point. And then here I can decide this way, this way. Regardless, I'm going around here, vice versa if you went the other way. But as we went around collecting information, you know, what is the path constructing, right? It's a square. Now, shapes can have many different emotions tied to them, kind of like when people talk about like their colors and how colors express a certain feeling or mood. There's something like that within the language of shapes. But the point is that, you know, square has many different meanings, and because it's a square symbol, I get the feeling that this person here in the image is feeling restricted in some form of way. Notice how all these things came out of my mouth like if I knew what's going on. Yet, you know, you can have your own story about what's going on in this picture. If you are a consumer of media, realize that the order in which you interpret an image might just be similar to the way you analyze your surroundings. And this is why I say that art can tell you a lot about yourself, because then you become more aware of the things that grab your attention. So what do you think about all this? Is what I'm saying making any sense? Is there something I should clarify? What kind of video would you like to see next? Let me know about it down in the comments. My name is Capt Giorgio, and I want to thank you for taking your time to watching this video. In this channel, I like to talk about art, photography, and technology. So if that's something that you're into, please consider subbing right down below. Please remember to stay safe and stay well out there. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video again. Really appreciate it. Hope it helps out. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take it easy.